To use a promo code on Prizepicks. It can be done on either a computer via their website or on a phone using their app. To begin, open Prizepicks, and if an account has already been created, the website will display various sections. However, it's not immediately apparent where to enter a promo code. The process of using a promo code involves signing up, as this is when the option to enter a code is available. The first step in signing up requires an email address and a promo code. If a code is not available, one can be obtained by clicking on the provided option. Alternatively, a friend's promo code can be used to receive a $25 bonus. But this must be entered during the sign-up process by unticking a box and pasting in the code. Upon completing the sign-up process and depositing money into the account, the friend who referred the new user will receive the $25 referral bonus. It's essential to note that if a promo code is not entered during sign-up, it cannot be used later. Therefore, it's crucial to keep this in mind for future reference. Using a promo code on Prizepicks is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail. During the initial sign-up phase,